Here we have one of the new wheels, Fila wheels, it's a brand. 84 millimeters in diameter and 83A in softness of the material. The hole in the center is 6 millimeters for a 6 millimeter axle. The tools I'm using is a normal hex key, and I have this skater tool also with a hex key. And if you have to work with the bearings, so a really good multi-tool. So let's start. Remove the wheels. Yeah, and this process also applies for the second skate, of course. And there's a lot of dirt on the inside here, so I will take a rag and clean it up. Make sure there's no dirt in the axle holes. I'm just using some normal paper from the kitchen. After cleaning the skate, be sure that the table is clean also before you bring in the new skate wheels. And also remember to clean the 4 screws and 4 axles before applying them to the new wheels. Let's mount the new wheels one at a time. One axle, one screw, slide it right in. Special tool. And this applied for the last remaining 3 wheels. Don't tighten it too hard. Okay, there you go. I'm looking forward to try them tomorrow.